What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. I am yours truly, Russell Mack, and today I'm talking about a house that I am growing to love. It's called English Laundry. I'm sure you all are, or some of you are familiar with it. And particularly, there are 4 fragrances that I have that I want to talk about. One is London, which is their recent release. I think it came out in 2018. And then there's another one called Signature that came out in 2010. And I have 2 others that I want to discuss. So, stick around, all right? And I'll be right back with the fragrance preview, all right? Peace, y'all.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Welcome back, family, to another fragrance preview. And as I said in the beginning in my clip, we're going to be talking about a house that I have come to love, and it is English Laundry. And I purchased 4 fragrances last week, I think it was. $12 a bottle, 3.4 ounce bottles, 100 mil. Okay, 3 of them are EDPs, and there's only 1 EDT. Okay, we have 1 fragrance, which is London. It came out in 2018. We have 2 2010s, Signature, and I believe it is Riviera. Okay, Tahitian Water came out in 2013. Okay, I believe Chris Wicks is the nose behind these fragrances. This is also a clothing house. This house designs clothes, okay? That is English Laundry. All right, now before we go into the preview and talk about some of the smells, I would love if you would become a part of the family and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, there's a notification bell right down below that. You can tap on it, and it will send a notification to your feed letting you know that Solomon Vineyard is ahead. Okay. Let's go on and get into the preview. You see, I got my coffee here with me today. The first fragrance we'll talk about is London. All right, this is London right here. All right, this is the beautiful bottle, and this is supposed to be a fragrance that was inspired by the sights and the magic of London. All right, this is a 2018 release. Now, I was told about one called Windsor. I believe it came out in 2016, so I am looking for that one, and there's a couple of others that I want, but right now these are the ones I have. And let's take a look at this bottle. I love the way the caps fit. They fit very tight. Okay, this is a gold cap with a dark blue bottle. All right, with royal blue writing. With you got a couple of sites written on here. I believe you have Downing Street, you have Buckingham Palace, and several others. Okay, really nice bottle presentation. I love it. You have your concentration at the bottom, which is EDP, with the batch code. Okay, and your flammable information. Okay, let's take the top off. And I've already sprayed some of this on this wrist. All right, and I'm gonna get to Leo to give me some notes, but let's spray it again to remind us of the opening. All right. I love the atomizer. When I spray this, I have a super blast, a very fresh fragrance, fruity. Okay, there's a bunch of apple, bergamot up at the top, with juniper berry and blackberry, but also you get that strong alcohol in the opening for about 5 seconds, okay, which causes the fragrance to really evaporate. So when you spray it, it will fill a room, fill a house, fill wherever you are, okay, especially if you outside and you spray it and you have, there's wind blowing, people are going to smell you from a very long way, okay. It creates a Beautiful scent cloud around you. It has beautiful sillage. Oh man, this stuff is nice. Okay, Talia, why don't you read for me some of the notes?
Top notes: blackberry,
Okay.
apple, pineapple, bergamot, and June.
Okay.
Middle notes: patchouli, ambergris, and jasmine. Base notes: vanilla, musk, and oak.
Oak moss. Okay. This fragrance is classified as a fruity with a hint of floral, musky fragrance. So this is a fruity aromatic, if you will. Okay, so it does have musk and a hint of florals. Man, this stuff is awesome. Now, I was smelling it the other day. I had Creative Ventus out. I had Mont Blanc Explorer out. I had Club de Nuit Intense, and I had Cedroc Boise out. This fragrance has that vibe, okay? I also have a decant of Hachi by Nichane, okay? It's in that wheelhouse. It's in that scent profile, okay? That's the vibe you get. Now, it's not a clone of a Ventus or any of these other fragrances, but I just want you to know that when you spray it, what scent profile and what character you get, okay? This is heavy, fruity, has a hint of spice. Oh God. It has the zestiness and the freshness of the bergamot, okay? It has the patchouli in the heart and in the middle. And when it dries down, you have a beautiful smell of fruit with some florals and a little spice and wood, okay? That's what you get from this fragrance. It is versatile. You can wear it at any time. I believe you can wear it year round. It is a fall, I believe, a fall and winter fragrance, but me personally, I think this would be a great signature scent, okay? And I believe also that you can wear this dressed up, casually, if you're wearing just a V-neck and some jeans with loafers. I believe you can rock this at any time. It's super mass appealing. It is a compliment hitter. And it's an affordable fragrance, okay? For $12, you can't go wrong. This is a EDP, all right? I believe they have a EDT, but I got lucky, okay? And I got this from Marshall's. I found all 4 of these in Marshall's. And looked at the bottom of it and it was EDP, okay? So for $12, you can't beat it. This stuff has a extremely beautiful quality, okay, about it that I love. Wow, this stuff is sexy. It's alluring. It's supposed to be the scent of London, okay? I believe this is what this bottle is supposed to represent, okay? That's enough. Let's move on to the next one. The next one that I really like, and this is one that I have been wearing a whole lot of, and this is Signature. And I love this one. This is the bottle for Signature. Okay, it has a chrome top. All of the bottle tops are shaped the same. This one is chrome. You see, this is a click on top. This stuff is beautiful, and this is classified as a woody oriental. All right. Wow, fresh, sexy, alluring. I think the brief said captivating. Wow, man. Let's talk about the notes. Talia, give me the notes for Signature.
Top notes: bergamot, lemon, lavender, and cedar.
Cedar wood. So you got some wood and lavender at the top with lemon. Man, this stuff is beautiful. Go ahead, read some more.
Middle notes: nutmeg and coriander.
Coriander, yes. Okay.
Base notes: sandalwood,
Yes.
vetiver, musk,
Yes.
and amber.
Okay, so you really have a beautiful scent here. A beautiful scent profile. Now, this is the presentation of the bottle, as you see. Gorgeous bottle. Okay, it has the name of the fragrance, the nose behind it. Okay. You have the batch, same as the other bottle, the batch code. This is a EDP, and I love it. This is a fall and winter fragrance, and I haven't sprayed this one, so let's spray this one on. No, I spray it over here. All right, man. I love Signature. This has got to be, oh my God. And this is a room filler. You spray this, people are gonna smell you. The sillage is gorgeous. Oh my God, this is perfect for this kind of weather we're having. The wind blowing, this stuff will catch a flight on the wind, and it will find a nose to get into. Extremely compliment getting, and when you spray it, you get that beautiful lavender. Now they say lemon is in it, but I'm not catching it. What I get is that bergamot lavender with nutmeg. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, beautiful with the amber. So clean, polished, smooth. It smells like fresh, clean laundry with fragrance, okay? This stuff is gorgeous, man. I love it. Now many of my frag friends told me to get my hands on Winter. So I am looking for that. I can't wait to find it. But if it smells anything like this, I believe I'm going to enjoy it, all right? Read those heart notes again for me, Julia.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg, yes, and coriander, yes. So you have the nutmeg, all right, which is a sharp, nutty smell. Oh my God. Wow, this is so beautiful. The coriander and the base is what? The base notes.
Sandalwood, vetiver,
Yes.
musk,
Yes.
and amber.
Okay, so you get musk all through this fragrance, okay? The freshness of the vetiver, the sandalwood, that's what you get in a dry down. You get that musk with sandalwood, with the vetiver and the nutmeg. Man, this stuff is sexy, man. Oh my God, and when people smell it, it actually draws them into you. That's the experience I've had with this fragrance. Oh my God, man, I don't know really what to say about this fragrance other than I love it. It's one that any collector should have in their collection, all right? I believe that this is a compliment magnet. Women will be drawn to this fragrance, okay? I've even got compliments from men, all right? So get your hands on it, man. This is Signature by English Laundry. This is a 2010 release, okay? I didn't even know about it, but now, thank God, I got it, all right? Let's move on so I can be through with this video. Now, the other two is, I think I have, I'm not gonna really go into it, but these two are Riviera and Tahitian Water. These two are summer and spring fragrances, which I didn't know at first, okay? But after carefully researching and doing my study on it, and I'm not really gonna get off into the notes or nothing, but they are also two beautiful fragrances. One is classified, I believe it's the Riviera. It's classified as a spicy, what they classify?
Spicy aromatic.
Spicy aromatic. And the Tahitian Water is a floral, what else? Floral, fruity guatemala, I believe. To me, when I spray the Tahitian Water, it smells, because I have it over here on this wrist here. I have it right here. Wow, when you first spray it, it has an inky smell along with that Blue de Chanel smell. So think of Encre Noir mixed with Blue de Chanel, and then it goes into the heart notes, and then it dries down to that beautiful guatemala and floral, fruity smell. It does last. One is an EDP. I want you to see these bottles together. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. These are beautiful. And the only reason why I'm not gonna really get off into them too deep, for one, they're winter and spring fragrances, but they do work. I believe, we've been having some cool days, but in the middle of the day, around 11 up to about 4 o'clock, I can wear these because the sun is out, and we just have a really nice breeze. But they are also two beautiful fragrances that are worth you purchasing. I normally say get samples, but these 4 fragrances are all fragrances that I believe you could buy. You could purchase a bottle without having to get a sample. You would like them even if you bought them in the blind. And I normally would say don't buy anything in the blind, but they are so clean, fresh, pleasant, man. Wow. And I all of them. Wow. All of them are nice, signature scent worthy, compliment getting, versatile fragrances that I believe that you can use interchangeably, depending on the weather, depending on the season you're in. I would use Signature in London right now, fall, okay, and winter. It's heavy enough, and fresh enough to wear in the fall, but it has depth and character that you can wear it in the cold, especially on cold days. And I can't wait to try them. I have been wearing all four of these interchangeably over the last week or so, and I like them all. So I'm gonna end the video here. These are English. This is English Laundry, and we have Tahitian Water along with Riviera, with London, and I'm trying to get them all in the shot if I can. London and Signature. That's four, and they all are great fragrances. Okay, so that's it for me, y'all. I'm through. What I may do later, or maybe next summer and spring, I'll do another preview extensively on Riviera and Tahitian Water, okay? These are the two, London and Signature are the two that I want you to really try to get your hands on now, because they are fragrances you can wear right now during the fall and winter months, okay? So, I'm Russell Mack. Thank you for joining me for another fragrance preview. This has been First Impressions of English Laundry's Signature, London, Riviera, and Tahitian Waters, all right? I'll see you soon for another fragrance preview. Peace, family.
All right, all right, all right. Okay.